This cordless Dyson vacuum runs for up to an hour without needing to be plugged in. And it works on hardwood floors as well as carpeted spaces. And it's really good at dealing with tough pet hair, and it doesn't get tangled in the vacuum. It comes with 5 different attachments, so you can convert this into a handheld vacuum for tight spaces like couches, cars, and stairs. And it comes with a washable filter, so there's no bags to replace, and you can really easily empty this straight into the trash can when you're done vacuuming.